So in the way that we designed the workshop, there is a lot of interaction. As a facilitator, I make myself very vulnerable. And during the workshop, we encourage people to share their story. And then we realize that behind that person who is confused or even sometimes doubtful of themselves, they are discovering.
I want to attend this executive workshop from Rohe because I want to know what is my career direction. There is a career fitter that actually helps us to direct what is our career path. I would like to be updated about this current market. How is the resume look like? Even though I should be very familiar because given my HR background, there will be a win-win situation for me, especially in the job search. Most of the participants, they are quite shy, and especially things that unpleasant, we will not want to mention about it. Ying has created a so-called safe space by sharing her own story first. Participants feel safe to share with her as well. Yeah, this is I think it's quite a good platform for us to really share our concern, our emotions, and to be aware of our emotion during these seasons. I think because of this, I find that I would like to really help the individuals to identify and review what are their strengths. So currently, I'm a freelance trainer as well as an image consultant.